Tinalabit ako ni ate. Ano daw hinahanap ko? Sabihin ko lalaki. Maloko siya. Ang gwapo na nag-a-assist ng ka-black. Nagugutom ako lalo. Gutom ako. Kaya pa ba kuya?
They send you a 700. It's a 300.
Half,
yeah, 300, 250.
Or 50. I always call that Avengers Tower.
Yeah, it is.
Ay, kape, may kape. Gusto ko magkape. Kapepe. Charot. Sabi niya sa akin, thank you sir. Dapat thank you baby.
We always say District 1 is a small city. Inside Ho Chi Minh City, the city that never sleeps. There are always people on the street.
That's the District 1.
And 7 or 8 p.m. People will hang out on the street.
Okay.
There are so many activities at night.
Yeah.
You can see the tower, the tower over there. This is the Bidesco Financial Tower.
I always call that Avengers Tower.
Yeah, it is the second tallest building in Vietnam.
So the first one is the Landmark 81?
Landmark 81.
Yeah. I was there.
You went to the
sky
deck.
The sky deck. Yeah, it's really nice. The view.
Yeah.
So we are down here. Yes.
We still have the last stop. We go to the oldest market and also the most touristy market in Ho Chi Minh City. So have you heard about Ben Thanh Market?
I just heard, but I haven't been there.
Yeah, Ben Thanh Market, like all the sellers there can speak fluently 4 or 5 languages.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so is it like the cheap version or not?
Really? No, like because I mean, like for a t-shirt like this. If you buy in a local market, probably like 200 or 250, 300. But that was if you like the first price is 600 or 700, and then you need to bargain.
Oh, the
like
bargain, yeah.
Half, okay, they send you a 700. You say
half.
300.
Half,
yeah, 300, 250.
Or 50. That's too much.
You say 50, then.
But how about the food?
The food is okay.
The food is okay. Just for the price. Souvenirs, okay.
Souvenirs, clothes, shoes.
Yeah.
Shoes. Also, you need to bargain everything.
Yeah, bargain.
So if you are good at negotiating skills, so I think you can probably have a good deal there.
Yeah, I think so.
Are you hungry? What time did you have breakfast this morning?
No, I did not have one because it's okay. But are you hungry?
I had breakfast.
Oh, you had breakfast?
Later, after the tour, we have lunch.
Okay.
Now we go to the Ben Thanh Market.
Yes.
And I will take you one round.
All right. Next stop, Ben Thanh Market. Asan ba? Ayan siya, oh. Kaya pa ba kuya? Okay. Nakasandal naman tayo. And this will be our last stop. Intern pa lang pala siya dito sa travel agency na to. So sige, bibigyan natin siya na napakagandang review. Uy, totoo naman hindi sa ano. magaling siya. Naiintindihan ko lahat eh. Ayan siya guys. Ito yung half on half off oh. Ay, nakikita niyo yung chan ko. Ayan. At ulit yung Notre Dame. So yun 2030. So yun, at least that explain yung curiosity ko kung bakit hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya tapos, nire-renovate. So parang ang target nila makumpleto 2029, tapos namubata ng 2030 kasi pala yung mga pieces na kailangan to build that or to yung for renovation galing pa sa French talaga, sa ibang bansa. HSBC. Hoy, huwag kayong mag-withdraw sa HSBC guys pag nandito kayo sa Vietnam kahit sa ibang part, basta ano yan, 3% ata yung transaction fee niyan. Vincom Center guys, isa sa mga mall dito sa Vietnam, sa Ho Chi Minh. Ayan. Ayan si baby. Ayan si Kai. Ayan. Vincom Center. Laki niya no? Pero hindi ko alam kung hanggang tok-tok yung mall niya Parang alam ko medyo parang ilang floor lang din. Tapos mga branded shops. Kasi meron na silang mga signs sa labas. So ayun, tinanong ako ni baby kung kung kumain na daw ba ako, kung nag-take ako ng breakfast. Sabi ko hindi, okay lang ako. Pero sabi niya, baka daw, not sure kung kakain kami. Pero okay lang naman, para malibre ko sila kung kakain. Sige, hindi pa tayo kumakain And parang feeling ko guys, 2 hours lang to yung tour na to. Kasi last stop na tayo Hindi na ako nagpadaan doon sa War Remnant kasi nga hindi rin naman tayo makakapasok. I mean, during the tour, itong tour na to, hindi tayo makakapasok kasi may ticket siya. Pero babalik tayo doon para pasukin natin. Alamin natin kung ano meron doon. Uniqlo. Ay guys, yung in-order kong Uniqlo, hindi dumating. Kasi nilagay kong address is Pullman, Saigon Center. Tapos nilagay ko yung pangalan ko. Nilagay ko rin yung yung aking parang booking number, which is yun yung in-advise sa akin nung reservation agent ng Pullman. Oh, ito Opera House pala. Ayan guys, Opera House. Ayun taray, may nag-prenup. Congrats. Ayan, dami naman, meron pa dito doon. Ay, ang gwapo naman nun. Ang gwapo ng nag-a-assist. Pwede ba akong bumaba? Ayan guys, Opera House. Saigon Opera House. Ang gwapo na nag-a-assist ng kablock. Nagugutom ako lalo. Gutom ako. Para siyang Korean. O, diba? nakikita niyo yung sekreto natin eh. Parang, wait lang, parang gusto kong bumalik ng Opera House. Charot lang. Ayan. O, ito pala, additional information na rin. Fun fact. Hindi naman fun facts. Basta about Vietnam. Dito sa Ho Chi Minh guys, marami silang convenience store. May 7-Eleven, may Family Mart, merong GS25, merong Circle K. Diba, nakakatuwa. Akala ko talaga kasi dito sa Vietnam walang 7-Eleven. So dito sa Ho Chi Minh guys meron. Tapos sa tatlong yon, sa Hanoi, sa Da Nang at saka sa Ho Chi Minh lang guys ang may MRT. Isa sa mga transportation services dito, meron silang MRT guys. May train station, may train. Ang sabi ni Kai, ang magandang month pumunta dito is November, December, January. Tapos ngayon, low season daw ngayong August na. So bali, ngayong August, low season. Pero napansin nila na dumami yung tao simula nung nagkaroon ng iringan between Thailand and Cambodia sa border. Kasi nga, yung mga turista, instead na pumunta doon, takot sila. Sa Vietnam sila pupunta. And I think naman, okay na sila. Tapos may mga professional photographer din dito guys na umiikot-ikot. Just in case lang gusto nyo magpa-picture ng bongga, magmala-artista, at baka mabangga. ito hapon hapop guys. The best of live seafood. Ito, may fountain dito guys. Paggabi, open yan. Lotus. Si Ho Chi Minh. Ay, ito rin, parang mall din siya guys. May Moschino na brand. Saigon Center. O, di ba nakapaglibot tayo? Nakakatawa. Ay, yung Saigon Center guys, sabi isa yung sa pinaka okay na mall dito. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya gano'ng kamahal compared sa Vietcom, yung tower, compared sa ibang mall. Saigon Center daw guys. Punta kayo dyan. Not sure lang kung may mga discount yan A
few inches later.
Okay.
Welcome to Bentham Market.
Bentham Market, yeah.
Bentham Market. Okay, now we got it.
Thank you. Is this open 24/7?
No, actually from 8 a.m. until 9 p.m.
8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. Oh. So more on souvenirs talaga.
Yeah. So salad for you.
Shirts, shoes, mga ganun. And if you're here guys, you should know how to haggle. As per Kai. Low price.
They don't invite me but they will invite you to buy clothes.
Yeah. Souvenirs, gift shop. Dami pala siya, para siyang at least covered market. Para siyang saan ko ba siya may tulad? Para siyang Green Hills sa atin. Yan. Kung ano yung nakikita niyo sa Green Hills sa atin, gano'n na gano'n din. Star Mall, parang gano'n. Ang dami. Ayun, may mga relo, may mga shades, may mga, may mga pagkain na dito, may mga bags, may mga dried fruits. Oh, taray. Ay, kape, may kape. Gusto ko magkape. Kapepe. Charot. Ayun, mga tea. Okay. Dried fruits. Ito, mga pagkain. Meron din inhaler from Thailand. Ayun mga kape
Hello, coffee. Vitamin coffee.
Pinalabit ako ni ate. Ano daw hinahanap ko? Sabihin ko lalaki. Maloko siya. Ay. Char.
Makano, coffee po yan.
Yeah. Mas maganda rin minsan may kasama kayo guys na ganito, local friend. O diba?
Traveling back. You want to buy the coffee, like coffee powders or coffee beans?
Maybe I'll go back here. Yeah.
Want to buy some Vietnamese coffee?
No, not here, not here. Different.
Kasi para at least pag bumibili kayo, hi. Para pag namimili kayo, may kasama kayong lokal na pwede makipagtawaran kung nahihiya kayo. Kunin nyo na. Bibigay ko ba yung number? Hindi, kasi baka pagpunta nyo siya, tapos na siya sa kanyang Oh. Pero ang daming coffee, ang daming souvenirs. Tapos mga nangangalabit talaga sila. Mga nangangalabit guys. Okay, so the first one, like the first part, the other part is more on souvenir shop. And this one is for food.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to eat?
You want to eat?
We can eat, yeah.
Here?
Yeah, if you want, anywhere, you suggest.
I never eat. I never eat it here, but like, it's
Yeah, you can, what you recommend? We can eat here.
you want like noodles or like
There's like a famous shop here.
in this market.
Yeah, in this market. It's like a soft wrapper with meat inside, something like that. Yeah.
If you can show me the photo, I can.
Yeah,
I will know. I know that.
There.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is. Cái quầy này trong chợ mình đúng không? Ở đây đằng kia, cột lọc.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. After. There. Ito yung pinipilahan kasi. This one. Yeah. Ayan. Gusto ko matry. Napanood ko kasi. That one.
This one.
Yeah.
So yeah, we call it bánh bèo.
Bun there?
Yeah, bánh bèo. You want a chew? For you and me?
You, yeah.
Thấy một hộp nữa.
Diba?
Thấy một hộp đầy đủ nữa, thối 7 chục, thấy một hộp đầy đủ nữa.
Ayan, pwede na kami umupo doon. Tintinda ko na, diba?
Còn 100 đúng không?
Ok, để lấy bánh hai bánh.
Em đưa
Qua bị ngồi từ từ đi tìm được. Trái qua.
Okay. So do you have a tour after this?
No, this is the only two
Oh, the only tour today. Have you tasted that before?
Actually, you know, like this food is originally from Hue City. That's my
Hoi yan.
Hue City. Hue.
Hoi. H-U-E.
SUE.
Yeah. I was there when I went to Hanoi. Da Nang.
Da Nang. Yeah, Da Nang.
That's okay. Nice. O diba? Hinanap ko yung yung video ni The Chu Show kasi sa kanya ko nakita yung food na to. Diba? At least may kausap tayo dito. Take outan din natin si Kuyang driver. Yeah. So look at this.
Đi sầu riêng bơi chứ đi đó trên chị ơi.
This is your friend.
Okay, thank you.
Quanh cùng chỗ là 800 dâu phải không? 5 dâu cho chú biết.
Yeah, so this.
5 dâu thì nhiều cam. Bạn nhiêu?
Okay.
And this one too. 1, 2. Diba? So, do you know what are these?
This is I say like this is it's made of rice flour.
Rice flour.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is, we call it this one bánh bèo,
Okay.
and this one we call it bánh bột lọc. Yeah, it's
What's inside?
inside they have this
Oh, the shrimp.
shrimp. Yeah, little shrimp.
May shrimp siya guys na parang nirap into jelly kemerut. And this one,
And this is the pork like pork sausage.
pork sausage. And this one is chicken.
This is also like pork sausage, but this is the like different types of pork sausage.
Oh, okay. So parang dinurog nila yung mga meat tapos ginawang ganito. Like pinong-pino na nagbakang sausage. Tapos ang daming cilantro. Okay, let's eat.
Tới qua lấy ghế quýnh nó trước.
Yeah, with the fish sauce.
Yung texture niya parang bilo-bilo. Ito naman parang jelly. Ano? Just peanut.
Yeah, peanut. This is the pork pot. Pork pot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sarap.
This is with mung bean.
Okay. Parang may pagka-chicharon. Ito ang sarap ng pork. Pork siya. Crispy. Tapos tingnan natin itong with shrimp. Masarap na guys. So, did you get your drink? Did you order?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Do you have WhatsApp number? Are you the one who called me a while ago?
Yeah, yeah. I already call you like
This one?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Lemon juice.
Yeah. Kai.
Yeah, come.
So I guess when I get back here like next year, you're already working in.
Yeah, yeah, always here.
Okay. I will message you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I will take you around the city.
Yes. Because I'll be back in Da Nang this
Yeah.
November.
Oh.
I'll be back in Hanoi next year, April. So maybe I'll go back here May.
Hey. Oh. Like how long for
The flight?
I mean like you have you use your day off to
Oh yeah. Every week
How?
over the weekend.
Oh.
Like Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Because I work at night.
you will be nice.
Yeah. So my work
And
will
I
be
think your job is flexible.
yeah.
Like an online job like
My company's from the US.
oh yeah. Got it now.
Yeah. Sarap guys. Akala ko pag nanonood ako ng mga vlog kasi iba-iba itsura, di ba? Na napipilitan na sila masarap pero nung natikma ko na, masarap. Ganun guys gawin nyo. I love Vietnamese food. I tried the bun cha,
Yeah.
the Vietnamese sausage, and I can eat like 5 sausage in one seat.
Oh.
Kaya ko nga 5, di ba? Charot lang. Sarap. Ito, samahan nyo na parang pork. Pag kinain nyo, masarap yung combination. Yan o. Kasi soft, crispy. This is cilantro, right?
Yeah, cilantro and green onion.
Alam nyo guys, nung unang tungtong ko sa Vietnam, ayaw na ayaw ko ng lasa ng cilantro. Guys, oh, lokal na ba ako? Tapos, just in case guys na hindi nyo mahanap, tanongin nyo lang sa mga food vendor dito. Yung itsura ng food or yung video, alam na nila.
What is it?
Thank you. Nice. This is good. First time.
Have you ever tried broken rice?
No.
Oh, this is like the iconic dish in this city, broken rice. So a plate with broken rice in the middle, and then like a slice of pork, some pickles, carrot, and then the omelette, and then a small bowl of fish sauce. So you put the fish sauce around and you eat it.
Oh.
And this is like the most common dish here.
Chuyện quen.
This one is good. How far do you live here?
It's quite far. Like in this night. So like in the normal traffic, it took me around 40-45 minutes. So reach out probably 1 hour.
Oh, okay. Because during my first 3 days here, I stayed in Ibis Saigon Airport. So it's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes going here.
Yeah. In the in Tăng Bình district,
Yeah.
it's quite far. And then you change the hotel to this one. Are you full now?
Yeah, you. How about you?
Oh yeah. Like if you haven't food yet, you can try the broken rice. I see that just over there.
Oh, okay. You want to try?
You try like I eat it like every week. Yeah, every week.
Should we go there or you can see here?
I think we can go there. Yeah.
Okay. Dito try tayo. Broken rice. So guys, sarap. Perfect to. Approve na approve sa akin. Ito lang siya. Nakakatuwa yung mga ano dito, marunong magtagalog. Yung ibang tindero. May gusto siya ipatry sa akin. Hello.
Where you from?
The Philippines.
Hi. Masarap maganda.
This is the broken broth.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Masarap.
So what do you recommend? This one or this one?
This is the special one.
The grilled pork chop.
Yeah.
Okay.
With pork chopping like this.
Okay.
Ano yun?
I think just order one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just order one. We share.
Oh, you take it away.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
We order one and then we can share.
Anh chỉ hỏi em luôn đi.
Em một phần đây nha.
Cái combo đi.
Take away na rin natin sa kuya.
Salamat.
Salamat. Are you sure?
I'm for like the yeah.
Kelly.
Mới ăn bánh bèo bên cái quầy
Bánh
kia.
mì bánh quét mà buồn.
Ủa, anh
You want more drinks?
Sarap.
No, no, it's okay. Thank you, sir.
Strawberry. Nó hết rồi. Xin hết rồi.
That's so much.
Yeah.
So, broken rice ang tawag. Literal na rice pala siya. Broken rice with grilled pork chop, shredded pork skins, and meat patty. Egg. Very famous din dito. Kung nandito kayo. Broken rice, broken rice, broken rice, broken rice. Ah, okay. Iba-iba pala to. So, this is it? What's this? Shredded...
This is like a shredded
Pork?
like shredded pork.
Oh, okay.
Pork part. Shredded pork part.
This one, guys. Are you sure you don't want to eat? Like, you can take out food.
No, you eat it. It's okay.
And this one is fish
This is
sauce.
the sweet fish sauce.
Sweet fish sauce.
Yeah, some pickles, carrot, and radish, cucumber, tomato. This is the omelette, pork chop. This is the
Okay.
pork sausage.
Yeah. So how do you eat it? Like mix it or no need?
Then you can pour the sauce around, and then you eat
Ah, okay. I'll just know.
it. So then we grill the pork meat on charcoal stove, and it has to be perfect temperature,
Yeah.
so that like you can taste the meat like juicy.
Masarap, masarap siya. Aroy makmak. Masarap.
So like this is usually served for the middle class in the city, and they eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So in Vietnamese we call it cơm tấm, and people also call it cơm tấm đêm because they usually eat it at night, like midnight.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
cơm tấm đêm. Some of the shops just open from like 7 or 8 p.m. until morning, until early morning.
So you also like to eat rice midnight?
Yeah. And this is like young people favorite. Like they hang out late and then they just get back to home in the early morning. And if they feel hungry, so they just go to the cơm tấm store.
Dami. It's a lot.
Just eat the meat, the rice, okay. Too much. You can say like this building look really old.
Yeah. So they sell the watch here. Is it original?
The watch, I think the watch is fake. Yeah. I think like 100% products in this market are fake.
Good.
Nice.
There's a lot of rice. Let's go.
So you just have like a few hours for your sleep.
Yeah. No, I slept like 6 hours.
6 hours. After this stop, would you like to go anywhere or just go
I'm
back?
planning to go to War Remnant.
War Museum?
Yeah, War.
I think that's a good idea. Like, it's the War Remnant Museum is the must see in the city.
Is it near here?
I think it's probably 2 kilometers.
Okay.
But it's okay. Like I can take you by my motorbike to
Oh,
the
really?
Raymond Museum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If we go by cycle, I think it's a bit far for him.
Yeah. Alright. So we're done here sa Benton Market. All the food, so good.
So which food you prefer better? The bánh bèo or cơm tấm?
This one.
This one.
Because I like chicken, I like pork, I like rice. Alright.
Sige, meeting.
Thank you. Thank you. Ito siya. So, tara. Labas tayo. Tapos sabi ko, gusto kong puntahan. Ihahatid niyo daw tayo.
Ăn gì con?
Baka magselo si ano. Charot lang. Pag kayo baby, oh.
Yeah.
I'm so full. Balik ako. Marunong sila mag-Tagalog. Busog ako. Grabe. Tapos yung mga ano talaga dito guys, tendera, nangangalabit. Tapos pipilitin kayo na, dito ka, ganun. Even yung sa drinks, kahit may drinks ka na, mangungulit sila. Nasa sa inyo na yung kung makulitan kayo. Okay, so we are done sa tour natin. This is the last stop. Bigyan ko lang ng tip yung driver natin, si Kuya. And so guys, Benton Market. At may friend na ako, friend ko na siya. Tumawag siya kasi kanina, so sinave ko na yung kanyang number. Okay.
So we say goodbye with him now.
Oh yeah.
Take you to the World Raymond.
What's his name again?
Yang.
Yang. Hi. Bye, Yang. This is for you. Thank you, Yang.
Hey guys.
Bye.
Không có bên
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Dito tayo kay Kate. Oh, you have extra. Okay.
Is that going to the blue helmet? I have you?
Yeah. Is this yours?
Yeah, this is my motorbike.
All right, let's go. Prinsesa.
Yeah, it's hot now.
Yeah, but it's a good thing. Then it's raining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of time in
Thank you,
Vietnam.
Kai.
Bye. See you.
Wait. Just for you, Kai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Nice
Yes,
meeting
sir.
you. See you again soon.
Yeah, see you again. Your next time in Ocean
Yeah,
City.
I will message you.
Okay.
Take care.
you,
Take
sir.
care.
Take care.
High five. Ayan. So we're here guys sa War Remnants Museum. Sabi niya sa akin, thank you sir. Dapat thank you baby. Card ata. Cash. Hindi ko lang alam. Kasi sa clock kanina guys, check ko. Wala na siya for today. Parang fully booked na pag sa clock kayo kumuha. Eh ngayon, tignan nyo, may mga papasok. 40. Okay. Naloka ako kay Kaya. Sabi niya, sir, cash. Here. Thank you. Ay, cash dito. Pwedeng card dito. May parang self-service kiosk sila. Ayan. Ay, currently, it is 12:42 pa lang guys. So, ang gagawin natin, lilibutin ko on my own guys. Tapos, ikukwento ko na lang sa inyo ha. Hindi pwedeng habang nililibot ako, is nagkukwento ako kasi alam nyo na. Thank you. So, ang alam ko, 3 floor to guys. Okay. Maano agad yung chan ko, like para may something. Maano agad yung pakiramdam ko. So, yun, kailangan ko ng gong. Kailangan ko ng gong kasi yung gong na yan, yung sounds niya, pang ano sa akin guys, pang maganda sa pagdinig ko. At least. Wait lang. Bell made of 5,000 bomb canister. Oh my god. baby, wait lang. Eh, mga jets. Ay, jets. Ayan. Kailangan ko magbiro-biro guys ha. Kailangan ko magbiro. Kasi iba yung pakiramdam ko. Okay. So look at that guys. Okay. Lightweight jet fighter. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung tank at saka parang soldier helicopter ba tawag dyan. Dito pa lang tayo sa labas ha. Tapos 40 guys. 40,000 yung ticket entrance. This one is the tank. And this one is the heavy lift helicopter. Ang sakit sa ulo. Masakit ulo ko. Wait, check ulit natin yung oras. 12:46. Hanggang 2:30 lang tayo guys dito. Mga transport vehicle guys. Mga pang United, pang Americans. Bigat. Okay. So, meron dito, ito. Building. Pero meron ditong nakalagay tiger cages. Dito muna tayo sa labas. Ay, ano ba? Saan ba tayo? Wala kasi siyang ano, parang building directory. Okay, tiger cages muna tayo. Ito. Chuong Cup. Para after natin dito sa loob ng building, hindi na tayo babalik. Ito helicopter. Oh. Bi-rotor helicopter. Okay, so ito. Notorious cells in Condau Prison. Okay. Oh my god. Sige, ginusto natin to guys. Yung ibang image guys hindi ko papakita kasi medyo gruesome. Hindi baka ano, ayokong pakita. Ito na lang si baby. Tiger cages guys made of interwoven barbed wire. Okay, so what do we have here? Sa peak hole. Oh my god. Ganito yung itsura nila guys. Wait. Noong unang panahon, dito sila nakakulong. Ayan. Akit tayo. Oh. Ito yung mga cell. Ayan sa ilalim guys. Okay, so tiger cages were specially designed cells used by the US and Republic of Vietnam government to confine Vietnamese patriots deemed stubborn. Okay. Ito guys is yung sunbathing room na isa sa mga parusa ng mga nahuhuli nila is papaarawan ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos they will forced to strip naked. Okay, so dito tayo galing. Dito muna tayo. Mga bombs guys, oh. May 2,000 pounds, may 1,000 pounds, may 500 pounds. Whew. Okay, imprisonment system during the Vietnam War. And kapag nandito kayo guys, take time to read para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Simula pa lang guys, ang bigat na. Grabe yung sinapit ng ng Vietnam. Kwento ko lang yung iba doon guys na parang nasa prisoner na, yung hindi nila alam kung paano sila papatayin. Ang idea na nakukuha nila is kaya yung sa isang selda, maraming prisoners, magdadrop na lang sila ng grenade para at least, di ba, easy pumatay. Tapos yung mga Vietnamese people na against sa, kumbaga parang against sa government na yon, they forced to remove all their teeth dahil pag ayaw nilang, hindi sila agree na magkaroon ng non-disclosure agreement, parang ganon. Tapos yung iba pag talagang kumbaga parang napakapasaway mo at kalaban ka talaga nila, grabe yung torture. Ang bigat. Hindi ko alam guys kung kakayanin ko pa. Tapos meron dito parang hologram, yung nakatingin ako sa ilalim, na pinapakita nila yung kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa prison. Para kang nakasilip sa kanila. Ganun siya, yung itsura niya. Sensya na be ha. nawala ko sa mood be. Ayan. Ganun yung itsura niya. Tapos makikita mo yung naghihirap sila. Parang mali itong ginawa natin. Dapat sabi ko pa na, though, diba, sinabi ko na sa inyo na baka maging emotional, yung mabigat yung pakiramdam natin sa pinaka last last vlog natin. Parang feeling ko guys, ayokong gawing last vlog. Masaya yung pagsa-sightseeing natin with Baby Kai. Ito lang, mali lang itong ginawa natin dito sa Warren. Though kasama talaga to doon. Hindi nga lang kayo papasok kasi may bayad. Parang feeling ko kailangan pa natin ng isa pang vlog para pang finale. Ayokong ganito yung kabigat. Next, wait lang hanapin ko lang sa inyo next. Okay guys, so dito na tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong museum na to, pero nasa loob pa rin tayo ng War Remnants. Bigyan ko na lang kayo na parang slideshow ng mga nakikita natin. Tapos saka ako magdi-discuss sa pagbaba natin dito ha. Ganun na lang. I guess we are done. Ayoko na pagpatuloy guys, sorry. Bali, ang napuntahan lang natin, 1, 2, 3. Tapos meron pa sa second floor. Sobrang sakit ang ulo ko. Okay na yun. So, if ever guys, pupunta na lang kayo dito sa Ho Chi Minh, please, pag curious kayo, 40,000 lang naman, puntahan nyo na lang. Ayan. Ayan guys, puntahan nyo na lang ha. Hindi ko na ipapakita, hindi ko na lilibutin lahat, pero yon ang pinaka ano naman talaga ng museum na to is yung na-experience nilang war sa kami ng mga Amerikano. Tsaka grabe, ang bigat. Tapos may museum coffee dito guys, oh. Kasi makikita nyo dito guys, mga itsura talaga, like real pictures, real photos nung panahong yon. Pati na rin yung mga itsura ng mga pinatay. And sumasakit ulo ko, absorb ko siya. Tapos yung mga ginawa ng international organization para i-assist ang Vietnam after ng war, like yung aftermath talaga. Grabe no, parang kung tutuusin ngayong 2025, ang dami natin dapat ipagpasalamat. Kaya nakakatakot talaga guys, mag-start na naman yung war, di ba? Alam niyo yan guys, sa ibang bansa nagkakaroon na yan. Parang nakakatakot ma-experience to. For sure sa iba sabihin, ay hindi yan mangyayari, hindi yan ganyan. Pero syempre, come to think of it, pag naiisip mo lang, nakakatakot. Nakakatakot guys. Kasi yung iba, pag may gera na, malayo kami dyan. Mismong ano nga lang eh, mismong earthquake nga lang eh. Pinagkakatuwaan pa, di ba? Yung, lindol ka lang, ano kami, mga ganun. Ay, parang ang hirap magbiro ngayon sa mga nabasa ko, sa mga nakita ko. Sakit guys ng ulo ko talaga. May migraine ata ako. And never ako migraine, di ba? Like, hindi nyo nakikita sa mga vlogs natin ever na sinasabi ko, sakit ang ulo ko. Ngayon lang. Ay, let's all pray. Parang offer ng prayer na lang sa mga naging biktima ng war. Hindi lang dito sa Vietnam at sa ibang bansa guys. In general, let's offer a prayer. Kahit sabihin natin sobrang tagal na, still, nandiyan pa rin yung mga presence nila, yung iba. Okay, so sorry naman guys, basta masaya yung una natin. Hanapin ko si Baby Kai. Nasa si Baby Kai. Message ko siya. So actually, alam nyo ba, kung hindi natin last day, i-message ko siya, tapos stroll kami sa gabi. Sabihin ko, tara, gala tayo, diba? Punta tayo night market or igala mo ko. Walang harot yun parang kaibigan ko na siya. At least natuwa ako kasi ayan, inaano na natin yung mood natin dito. Kasi yung gusto ko parang every bansa na pinupunta natin, may kakilala ko. Meron na tayo sa Singapore, di ba, si Jean. Tapos sa Hanoi, si Jasmine. Though hindi ko pa siya nakakasama sa parang pang personal tour, like pang kaibigan na tour. Tapos meron din tayong nakilala sa Danang na palagi kong ka-message guys. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakukuha as a tour, parang ganun. Kasi syempre nag-work siya sa hotel. Tapos ito ngayon dito sa Ho Chi Minh, si Kai, na pwede ko daw siyang i-message kung gusto kong gumala pagbalik ko. So yan, excited na ba kayo? Mag-Ho Chi Minh na ba tayo agad-agad? Next year na. Kasi may Danang tayo guys, this November. Tapos April yung Hanoi natin. Siguro May, pwede tayo mag-Ho Chi Minh. Basta pag may biglang may lumabas na seat sale, go tayo dyan. Mabilis lang ang panahon. August na next month, Burr month na. Oh my God. Happy tuloy. Merry Christmas everyone. Alright, so we are done here guys. Inaano ko na yung mood natin. Binabago ko na yung mood natin. So again, if you want to book that, first yung ginawa natin, if you want to book that city tour using the Cyclo or yung rickshaw, you can book through Klook. You can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 3 times use per account. Then, itong War Remnant tsaka yung Independence Palace, hindi kasama yung ticket doon. So, you have the options na pumasok pero may bayad. I-shoulder ninyo. But, hindi siya kasama sa tour. Kumbaga, parang pwede kayong bumalik tapos saka kayo pumasok. Kasi yung tour nyo parang limited for 2 hours lang. Tapos, ang last stop natin sa Bentan Market, which is kumain tayo. Masarap, in fairness. Mas nagustuhan ko yung unang kinain natin, yung parang may shrimp, yung halo-halo, yung parang bilo-bilo. Mga ganun. Masarap. Masarap siya guys. 30,000 lang. And then yung broken rice na kinain natin nasa 90,000. Not bad. Tapos, dahil nag-enjoy ako sa service na ginawa nila, mabait naman kasi talaga guys. Skip natin yung part na hinaharot-harot ko siya, pero mabait naman kasi. Tsaka estudyante guys, nakakaawa. Parang binigyan ko na lang siya ng pag-tuition or pang-allowance, di ba? Sabihin ko lang para naman ma-inspire, hindi ko sure kung ma-inspire kayo, motivate kayo. Basta dito guys, kapag nagbibigay kayo ng mga tip, hindi siya mandatory. So, voluntary siya. Nasa sa inyo na yun. Nakalagay naman yung sa ticket ninyo sa Klook na yung mga tips at saka gratuities is not included. So, again, hindi siya mandatory. Okay? So, kung nasarapan kayo, nasarapan. Kung na-enjoy nyo yung tour, then magbigay kayo. So, ano ba naman guys, yung 200 pesos sa driver, tapos 400 pesos kay Kai na karamihan naman sa tour natin dito or activity na kinuha sa Klook is libre kasi nga, dahil sa inyo guys. Dahil nag-top 95 tayo sa Klook, may commission tayo kay Klook na libreng activities. So, ito yung pinili ko. Kaya, parang ganun din. Wala akong nagastos. And alam nyo ba, nag-withdraw tayo ng 5 million, di ba? Ngayon, last day na natin, 2 million. May natitira pa tayong 2 million. Di ba? Nakakatawa. So anyway, that's really it. Magbubook na ako ng Grab bike going back to our accommodation. Check ko lang kung magkano. Malapit na lang pala dito yung accommodation natin. Ang daming gwapo. Ang daming gwapo dito guys. Mga foreigner. So anyway, going back. Actually, after ng Bentan market, kung hindi tayo nagpahatid tayo, pwede ihahatid tayo ni Kai sa accommodation natin. O sige, that's it. Ayan, nag-book na ako guys. Ito na ulit siya. Balik na tayo dun sa kung saan tayo pumasok. And guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang mga videos natin na nagawa dito, please share this video sa mga alam nyo pupunta sa Ho Chi Minh anytime soon. And don't skip guys yung War Remnant para magkaroon kayo ng idea about sa naririnig palagi natin yan Vietnam War kahit ng mga nag-school pa tayo. So ito siya. Okay, so nandiyan na sa labas yung ating driver 50AA. Tapos ayun lang. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit that notification bell para updated tayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs. Enjoy life, live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment, and you will never get to this age again guys, so please do what makes you happy and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys tomorrow.